Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Weekend Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem gift cards on Swagbucks. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and tap on the login button and then use your Google account to log in. Once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can perform various different tasks in order to earn Swagbucks. Now, if you have enough points or Swagbucks in order to redeem any gift card, then you can tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Redeem SB. You will now be shown the various different options of redeeming your currency within the redeem page. Now, you can choose for an Amazon gift card by tapping on the Amazon option. There are also other options for gift cards such as Zalando, Payoneer, as well as AirTM. You can also use your PayPal directly by tapping on the PayPal option. After choosing your preferred gift card option, you can simply choose the selected amount and then tap on the redeem option. After proceeding forward with redemption, you will be granted your gift card with the selected amount loaded within. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your gift card using Swagbucks. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.